Well, I'm hoping this weather stays nice because today is rib day. We're just about to fire up the Joe. We've got some ribs in there and they're going to go on for probably 7 or 8 hours today, and we're going to do a maple glaze with those. So check it out. So we're going to be cooking today at about 110 degrees, and I'm going to be using this. This is the Big Day restaurant grade charcoal. Only used this once before and I had good results, so we're going to stick with it. You get some fairly big chunks in this stuff, it's good. It smells nice too. And then we're going to be going with the Kamado Joe slow roller today as well. This helps the smoke circulate around the dome and gives a better smoke distribution on the meat as well. All right, let's get these bad boys on. Okay, that's it. We'll come back in 4 hours. Right, these guys have been on the barbecue for about 3.5 hours now, so it's time to wrap them. I'm going to pour some apple juice in the wrap of the tin foil and then leave them for another 2 hours. Okay, so it's been another 2 hours. The ribs have been wrapped on the Joe. It did rain, so everything got wet, but never mind, we're under cover, so it's all good. It's time now to take them off and to leave them for the final hour. This is the 3-2-1 method, which means 3 hours on the smoker. We did 3.5. 2 hours wrapped in tin foil, another hour on the smoker, and then we're going to put the glaze on. Right, let's see how they look. Wow. These are looking absolutely fantastic. Right, so these are now going back on for the final hour. These ribs are ready. It's time to let them rest. Well, those ribs tasted amazing. In my honest opinion, I think I overcooked them a little bit. I would maybe go a lower heat for slightly less time next time, but overall, really liked them. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me any questions. Thanks again.